Okay, we're going to solve number 2 here. We need a motion map and a free body diagram for the following situations where friction is not negligible. So the first one, we have a box going down. Oh, let me get my pen going here. We have a box going down an incline like this. There's our incline. Here's the box. And it's increasing speed. So first we do the motion map. So here's where it is in the beginning. The first time interval, there it's over there. Now it's accelerating because speed is increasing, so it's going to be even further to the next one, and even further, and then down to the bottom. Let's see. Okay. All right, so now we need a free body diagram. So we have the force of gravity this way. We have our normal force, maybe like that. And we have the force of friction. Okay, so our net force should be in this direction. Let's just see quick if we can add that with the other vectors. So if we start with the force of gravity, we add the normal. That's going to bring us back here. And we add then the force of friction like that. And so our net force is down the plane, which is good. Okay, part 2. A box is being pulled up an incline at a constant speed. Okay, got to draw my incline again. Okay, so here's a box, and the motion map now is showing it at a constant speed. So every time my camera takes a picture, click, it's moved the same amount up the plane. Click, click, click. Right, because our motion map is sort of just frames of a movie, what it would look like. Okay, so here's my free body diagram. We have the force of gravity still. That hasn't changed. We have the normal, like so. Now there must be something pulling it up the plane, so let's make that, oops, we don't want to make it too big. Here's the force of the pull. And now we're going to have gravity again, I'm sorry, friction again, but now this time opposing the motion, right, so it's down the plane. Now, sorry, I'm going to go Fn. So let's look at how that net force diagram would work. Okay, so we have our force of gravity down that way. And now we're going to add to it the normal. Oops, sorry, that's Fg. Okay, the normal is at that angle. That kind of brings us back up to the plane. Then we have our downward force of friction. And now my pull should get me right back to where I started, so that the net force is 0. So it looks like this guy I should have made a little bit longer, maybe like that. Okay, we'll erase this part, fill him in, go, and our net force is 0. We know that because we're moving at a constant speed.